I'm a biochemist and my research is aimed at finding new drugs for women with the hardest to treat breast and ovarian cancers. Around 4,000 women die each year from breast and ovarian cancer in Australia. Unfortunately, outcomes are worse for women who have developed their cancers because they inherited a faulty gene. This is because their cancer is harder to treat and is likely to become resistant to chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is a blunt force instrument against cancer. It is sometimes effective, but it can have terrible side effects, and sometimes it doesn't work. I'm using a special technique that was developed in our lab. This allows us to test potential drugs to see how effective they are against cells that have mutations that cause breast and ovarian cancer. Our aim is to identify new drugs that work better against these cancers, sparing healthy cells while causing cancer cells to die. Support from the Rising Star program has secured my position for 3 years. This means I can focus all of my attention on my work in the lab rather than writing grants. It also means we've been able to build a partnership with industry to help drive our promising results into the clinic faster. I'm very grateful for the support that I've received from the Rising Star program, and I certainly won't forget who invested in me first.